What a day, what a day, what a day. So it did pretty much what we talked about early this morning. Made that retrace, turned around and closed up. And that's a pretty impressive bar for the SPX. I mean, arguably, you can call that a indecisive bar. And we still made a lower high and a lower low. So leads me to question what Monday holds. But I like it. I like where it is. We're working out some nonsense. I'm really speculating that I think that we start moving higher, make a higher high. Um, we really need to break this high, this pivot high right here of 463.12. Otherwise, we could just say, hey, we are in a downtrend. I mean, here we have a high. Here we have a lower low. Here's the previous low, a lower low. Here we're making a lower high. Here we're making another lower low. That's a downtrend, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, officially, we could call this a bear market. Let's just see if it continues. We could get a little consolidation or break up. If we break this high and then make another lower low, then we could really argue that it's in consolidation, find a channel. I do think that we're going to make some interesting lows, maybe around the 232 range or 4100. Some people are talking about. That's kind of extreme, but not impossible. So yeah, you know what? I'm feeling the 42 range. I think 42.22 is our number. But we shall see, man. It's going to be an interesting few weeks. And what else we got? You know what? Let's take another look at the weekly. Weekly. Think nice and quick. That's cool. And even the weeklies are trending down. I mean, I like this little tail we put in. Momentum's still negative. We're going to need an up week next week to turn this thing around. Mm-hmm. Yep. It's not really telling me too much. I mean, we're trending down and we're closing lower than we opened for the week. Kind of feels like it's making that push for that 200 next week. We'll have to see how we open Monday and what that looks like. I mean, we're making those bottoming tails. We shall see. We shall see. The market is so perplexing. Here's the 10-year, and we're just going to look at the 10-year on the daily. We made these little consolidation patterns. I really thought we would drop off right after that. But well, here it is. We talked about it, and we said it was going to close that gap. So we got another gap down here, and it may very well come down to the 1410. The momentum looks like it's supporting that theory. So we'll keep an eye on that. That might be our run up to the 1410. Once it tags that, I think it's going to turn around, start pushing up again, forcing that market down. Apple. That's a nice tail, bottoming tail. Looks like a good hammer. If you're interested in Apple, you could hold off until it breaks that high of 42.92. I'm not interested in Amazon. I'm going to take a quick look at Disney. I like the Diz. If it breaks this pivot high, you're probably coming up into 82 or so. That's really only 2 ticks from that pivot high, but that starts the move up. This is the Palladium stock ETF I was talking about this morning. I like it. There's no entry, but you could buy it anytime. That's a long-term situation. You're going to sit on it. This damn thing just keeps taking a beating. Virgin Galactic. See, man? See what Virgins do to you? It's just consolidating here. there's really no entry on it. TBT is just playing the reverse of the bonds. It's coming down now because interest rates are coming down. So it's actually affording you a good opportunity to buy it. But you know what? I wouldn't be surprised if you could pick it up at about 17 and a half. So maybe wait another 50 cents. It's not that volatile. It doesn't move that quickly. Tesla. Yeah, we could just buy Tesla on dips. I like the company, and I'm talking long term. This isn't quick stuff to trade. Viacom. I'm bullish as long as it's above that trend line. Another long term play. My target is about 62 to 64. And Verizon, again, it's a dividend paying stock, nice dividend. It's got to be about maybe 4. I haven't really looked at it at this price, but it's good down here. And put it away, forget about it, let it pay you dividends, and look at it in 10 years. And XOM, the dividend's probably in the 5s right now, which is still nice. Nothing to sneeze at. Maybe pick up a little piece here, see if it goes up into the 70s. If it dips down to closer to 50, you could pick up a little bit more. But this is something that you just buy, sock away, and forget about it. Speaking of which, I think I'm watching that new Sopranos movie tonight. And then on the meme side, Fuel Cell, not showing me anything. Didn't even respond to today's move up. So just be careful. Actually, if you want to pick it up, I mean, long term, I think it's a good situation to get involved with. But maybe look for it around 569. Plug Power, another good one. I guess you get involved with the two of them, and you can figure out which is the stronger of the industry. And, that'll be a few years down the line. And it's not presenting anything. Actually, that kind of looks like a bear flag right there. I lost my mouse. There we go. That looks like a bear flag. So you could look for a short breaking that low. I don't know if it's shortable or not, if you could borrow this. It's $25 stock. There's really no reason why it would not be shortable. But breaking that low of 24.96 should make another push down. Take another leg down. If you wait and just, you could probably look to start accumulating it in the $23 range. And Metamaterials. Again, I don't know what the company is. It's not showing me anything, so I've got nothing to say on it. AMC. See you soon. No. Really didn't respond to this market move. Usually market moves up. Rising tides raise all ships. This is getting heavy. This is getting really heavy. That daily looks like it might be turning, but again, we kind of have the discipline that as long as we're above that trend line, we're going to stay bullish on it. I would not be in it though. Smile Direct. Man, I have no idea what this is. Somebody told me to take a look at it for them, and I'm looking at it. And I'm looking at more of the same. It's a bear flag right here. I've really got nothing to tell you about it. Lucid, another one I have no idea about. Maybe I'll do a little homework this week. But on a technical, it just looks like it's getting heavy. And you get a lot of gaps in it. And, that always makes me leery. I think you could fill a lot of these. You might be buying this thing around $17. Sophie Technologies. Look, all these patterns look the same, man. It's unbelievable. You could just stay bullish while it's above that. And that's it, folks. It's the weekend, and it's still warm down here, so I'm going diving tomorrow, and I hope everybody enjoys their weekend. So just stay cool and stay calm, and when you're trading, just be at peace, and good luck trading.